Kangi Duzin Photang School. So my question is, how does sea learning affect students? Sea learning means social, emotional, ethical learning framework. Professor sir, I heard of this sea learning during last winter where our loved and most respected Guru, His Holiness Dalai Lama has visited a school near Delhi and gave a talk on this topic. Thank you.
You have not introduced yourself, name or school.
My name is school name Duzin Photang School.
See, learning is a supplementary system to the usual ongoing education system. To bring a fundamental change in the present education system is not possible immediately. It may come after a long time because the present education system is inadequate and compatible with human nature. It will transform itself in the long. But we need immediately to improve the human behavior, human values. For that purpose, His Holiness is giving several teachings, mostly in the Western countries, which was termed as the secular education, secular ethics. Secular ethics is termed because the imparting knowledge of ethics was largely depend on various religious traditions. Each religious tradition thinks that they are imparting the ethical education to the students. But those religious ethical education are not harmonious on themselves. Sometimes they are inner contradictory. And apart from that, majority of the nations are now consider themselves as the secular nations. In secular nations, imparting religious education in the educational institutions are considered to be inappropriate. So therefore, the education shall have to be completely in a secular framework. So by that way, the ethic education is lacking. Due to that, the degradation of human value, which creates so many problems in the world. So to improve the human value, the secular ethics is become necessary. Now in Tibetan we call it Churula Matim Dasami. And this, the educational ethics, suitable curriculum, syllabi for the and also education universities. It was developed with great effort by the Emory University in USA. Emory University was giving the task to do it, and the professor is from Himachal Pradesh, Professor Rosantan Singh. Under his leadership, there was a department of Dalai Lama Center for Ethics, and in that department, they had worked for several years to make it suitable curriculum into the modern education centers. And in that also, the secular world is not very welcoming some of the Western countries or groups. they changed the name. C learning, social, emotional, ethical learning system. And that has now covered more than 90 countries in Europe, Africa, Latin America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. In India also, it is now adopted by many schools. I think the Rajasthan government has decided to adopt all these government schools to the same learning. And we demand only one period in a week. And then there's the short teacher training. And for the Indian schools, there's another NGO, IUGM situated in Merit near Delhi. They have also developed this. They call it universal ethics education, and they are developing this curriculum suitable to the Indian students in the Indian situation. The C learning is mostly for the Western students in the Western situation. But the Indian for the universal education, ethics education has developed a curriculum from the primary school to class 8. And they have also the handbook and textbooks for the students. And any school is willing to adopt those. They give teachers training, 3 days or 4 days teachers training, then constant interaction on the online. They also do the evaluation. So many of Himachal schools have adopted their system. And recently the Himachal government also trying to look into the matter. And many schools they found it gives very good result and quite notable improvement in the students' behavior and their conduct. And more than that many teachers have accepted, they have benefited great deal through this either Silani program or the universal education program by the idea. So this is I think now many schools and younger generation will voluntarily adopt it, and when they experiment it, they found it suitable and useful. And more and more people will, I think, talking about this, and I think this is beneficial, a new way to reach to the children and ordinary people how to improve one's own value system, one's own ethical behavior, without depending on any length or depth of religious teachings. So this is a new way. This was an opportunity.